Hi, and welcome to part 3 of my A380 model review. So in this last part, there's two more models I bought to review. That's the another diecast model from 24 Hours, which I think is an Amazon reseller, and this DARON SKYMARKS Emirates A380. So I think the first one is the 24 Hours diecast 1 to 400, but it's incredibly similar to the one we just opened in the other video. Almost exact same size and mold as the Tang Dynasty 1 to 400, which really turns out to be 1 to 500. Same window pattern and paint quality, and almost exact same stand. So I suspect these come from the same factory, and they just resold in different bands. It's $18, so almost exactly the same price. You're getting the same plane, basically. Yeah, so they're cheap and cheerful, and you could collect a lot of airlines this way, but they're individually not that amazing as far as accuracy and detail. All right, so they got DARON SKYMARKS, which is a well-known brand and is a properly licensed product from Airbus. This comes in at $40 on Amazon. Comes in the nice presentation box, which is, nicely put together. It has working sets of landing gear, the Emirates logo on the belly. I think all the paint and decal work is top notch and is pretty accurate. The only thing I probably detracts from this model is that it's a plastic model. So some of the unpainted parts, like the wings and the horizontal stabilizer, they're just kind of gray. They're shiny, but they're just gray plastic. They don't have that extra clear coat finish that the resin models had. The wings come with the wheels pre-installed underneath, and they do tilt a bit, so I think you can have it either on the stand, or you can, it's made so you can roll it on a flat surface too. The engines come separately, and those are easy to install. You just need to click them into the engine mounts on the wing. And then the wings kind of just slot right into the fuselage with a little bit of, you have to give it a good shove. It was quite a tight fit. And that's about the extent of the assembly. So next comes the stand, and the stand is nicer than any of the other stands. It has an authenticity sticker on the underside, and it has the proper Emirates logo and an Airbus branding also on it, and the scale that just plugs into the underside of the model, and there you go. So as you can tell, it's overall the finish is really nice. Graphics and paintwork are accurate, and you've got the logo on the engines as well. But overall, it's got a slightly more plastic finish than the resin models. There's no paintwork on the top side of the wings, that two-tone metal, but the landing is very nice. So overall, the DARON SKYMARKS is a really good value model. For a 1 to 200 scale, only slightly smaller than the big resin ones. You get more detail, but slightly less of a clear coat, glossy finish. But it's licensed and really nice looking. Just to wrap up, so you got the DARON SKYMARKS at $40. The 24 hours was almost the same as the Tang Dynasty one at $18. There's, a little less to recommend with that one. Thanks for watching.